Hello, this is Steve K here today, and today we're playing Solar Smash. Solar Smash. Mother Nature says she's a force of nature. Well, guess what? So am I. Mother Nature thinks that she can get me messed up and sick for a whole month. Well, guess what I can do? I can retaliate in so many ways. Just watch. And by the way, if you're new, I welcome you to my channel. And I'm just trying to be a little creative on Solar Smash, of course. And let's get to it. Good old Mother Earth. I have no problems with Mother Earth. No. I have no problems with Mother Earth at all. But when it comes to Mother Nature and her stupid viruses, let me show you what I think. You wanna... Hold on. I had to pause the time because I didn't want the light to disappear, and then I'll show you what I think of these bogus viruses that come from a spot that I do not appreciate too much. So without further ado, let me show you what I think of the viruses in my standpoint of view. This is for giving me a cold, bringing nasty temperatures, and getting me sick for a whole month. Mother Nature, you're a force of nature? Yeah, but guess what? So am I. Watch this. You want to mess with me? Well, guess what? How do you like me now? There, I just ate up your viruses. You want to mess with me? Guess what? I just messed with you. I just dug a hole right through you. Well, that ain't good enough. Even though it's eating alive the virus that I consumed for one whole month. No thanks to the viruses that done me wrong. So, hopefully this'll do it. That don't do nothing. Where is it? I want something that makes this thing go boom. Well, this is quite interesting. Well, okay, this is not doing what I wanted it to do. Oh, where is it? I just wanted one straight shot, watch it go boom. The only problem is I don't know where it is. So, you want to give me viruses? Here. There. How's that for a cold? How's that for your flu? How do you like me now? I told you, don't mess with me. That ain't good enough? Well, let's find out where I could get even at those that do unto me. Let's see, which one is it? It's gotta be this one? Hopefully. I don't think that's it. Interesting, but no. Oh wow, it was it. Nice, very nice. Well, that ain't good enough. Let me show you what I think. You want to give me viruses? Huh? What? What? There, how you like me now? No earth, no sun, no virus. Nobody's gonna get me sick for a month.